Hey Tractor Chasers, in this video we are out in the field with an International Harvester 1660 combine harvesting corn in central New York. It was fun watching this small family farm work on harvesting corn and unloading into their gravity wagons pulled by the Ford tractors. The International Harvester 1660 combine was the second largest of the first generation 1600 series of combines. This one was powered by an International Harvester DT466B 180 horsepower engine, and some of the later models of the 1600 series combines were powered by a 190 horsepower Cummins engine. You could tell the difference between the International Harvester powered and the Cummins powered combines because the International Harvester powered had the larger model numbers on the side of the machine, and the later models had the model number included in the stripe on the side of the machine. So if you see a 1600 series with the big model number, that means it's got an International Harvester motor in it. Now you'll probably notice that this combine has a 6-row head on it, but they're only running 4 rows at a time. There's always different reasons why farms do different things like this, and in this case, they run a 4-row planter, so it's easier to stay lined up with the rows when you go 4 rows at a time. Now they could upgrade to a 6-row planter so that everything lined up, but both the brothers that run this farm are in their 70s, so they're not really looking to upgrade equipment anymore. To keep the grain away from the combine, they were using their Ford 4600 and 4610 tractors pulling DMI gravity wagons. This is just a really fun, unique harvesting combination to see, so let's go watch them at work. I hope you loved being out in the field with this farm working on harvesting corn in central New York. If you love seeing tractors like this at work, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.